Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. It's a place of incredible opportunity, connecting us in ways unimaginable just decades ago. From social interactions to business transactions, the internet has revolutionized our lives. Hackers exploit our trust, our curiosity, and our desire for convenience. Through social engineering, they manipulate us into giving away our sensitive information. And one of their most insidious weapons is something most of us use every day, the PDF file. These seemingly harmless documents can be weaponized. Turned into Trojan horses carrying malicious code, these PDFs can infiltrate our systems without us even realizing it. Hackers use them to steal our data, hijack our devices, and wreak havoc on our digital lives. But don't despair. There are ways to protect ourselves. Just as the pioneers of the Wild West learned to protect themselves, we too can navigate this digital frontier safely. By being vigilant and informed, we can defend against these threats. Understanding the threats is the first step towards securing our digital future. With knowledge and the right tools, we can create a safer online environment for everyone. We all know PDFs. They are as ubiquitous as the air we breathe in the digital world. From contracts and invoices to ebooks and research papers, PDFs are the go-to format for sharing documents. Their popularity stems from their versatility. PDFs retain formatting across different devices and operating systems. This makes them incredibly convenient. But this convenience comes at a price. Hackers exploit the very features that make PDFs so useful. They hide malicious code within the document structure disguised as legitimate content. And just like the Trojan horse of Greek mythology, these seemingly innocuous files can open the door to our digital lives. But how do they do it? How can something as seemingly harmless as a PDF be used to compromise our devices? Let's delve deeper into the world of PDF exploits. If you're receiving an email, it appears to be from your bank. The email looks legitimate, with official logos and formal language. It asks you to download a statement. You think it's just another routine document. You click, expecting a routine PDF. But what you don't realize is that this simple action could compromise your entire system. But hidden within this document is a silent threat, a threat that can operate without your knowledge. Hackers use various techniques to embed malware in PDFs. These techniques are sophisticated and often go undetected by standard security measures. One common method is through JavaScript exploits. JavaScript is a versatile programming language. JavaScript is a programming language that makes websites interactive. It can be used to create dynamic content and enhance user experience. PDFs can also contain JavaScript code to enhance their functionality. This feature, while useful, can be exploited. Hackers can inject malicious JavaScript into a PDF. This code can be designed to execute specific actions when the document is opened. When opened, this code can execute without your knowledge. It can run silently in the background, performing tasks that compromise your security. It might redirect you to a fake website designed to steal your credentials. These websites often look identical to the real ones, making it hard to distinguish. Or it could download malware directly onto your device, giving hackers a backdoor into your digital life. This malware can steal sensitive information or even take control of your device. And JavaScript is just one weapon in their arsenal. Hackers have a variety of tools and techniques at their disposal. Hackers exploit vulnerabilities in PDF viewers, using them to execute arbitrary code or gain unauthorized access to your device. Always be cautious and ensure your software is up to date to protect against these threats. The moment you open a compromised PDF, the attack begins. It's a seemingly innocent action, but it sets off a chain reaction that can have devastating consequences. The malicious code, hidden like a viper in the grass, springs to life. This code is designed to exploit vulnerabilities in your device, bypassing security measures you might have in place. It could be a Trojan, a worm, or a ransomware script. Each type of malware has its own method of attack, but all are equally dangerous. Regardless of the form it takes, the goal is the same: to gain control. Hackers want to infiltrate your device and take over its functions. Once executed, the malware can wreak havoc. Your device may start to behave erratically, showing signs of infection that are hard to ignore. It can steal your passwords, log your keystrokes, and even monitor your online activities. This information is then sent back to the hacker, giving them access to your personal accounts and access your sensitive data. Personal photos, financial information, and private messages are all at risk. It can turn on your camera and microphone, spying on you without your knowledge. Imagine the invasion of privacy, knowing someone could be watching or listening to you at any moment. In the case of ransomware, your files are held hostage. Important documents, cherished photos, and critical data are encrypted and inaccessible. Hackers demand a ransom, threatening to delete or leak your data if you don't comply. The pressure to pay can be immense, especially when valuable information is at stake. The scariest part, you might be completely unaware that your device has been compromised. The malware can be designed to operate stealthily, avoiding detection. The malware can operate silently in the background, stealing your data and spying on you while you remain oblivious. This silent threat can continue for months or even years without you ever knowing. The threat of PDF-based attacks is not theoretical. These attacks are happening right now, targeting individuals and organizations worldwide. In 2021, a sophisticated phishing campaign used malicious PDFs to target businesses. These PDFs, disguised as invoices and contracts, contained malware that allowed hackers to steal sensitive financial data. In another incident, a vulnerability in a popular PDF reader was exploited to deliver ransomware to Android devices. Users who downloaded a certain PDF file had their devices locked, with hackers demanding a hefty sum to regain access to their data. These real-life examples highlight the very real danger posed by PDF exploits. They are a stark reminder that cybersecurity is not just a concern for large corporations or governments, it's an issue that affects us all. Navigating the digital frontier safely requires vigilance. We must be proactive in protecting ourselves. So, how do we defend ourselves against these invisible threats? The first line of defense is awareness. Be wary of unexpected emails with PDF attachments, especially if they appear to be from banks, government institutions, or other trusted sources. Always verify the sender's address. If you're unsure, contact the organization directly through their official channels. Remember, it's always better to be safe than sorry. Next, keep your software updated. This includes your operating system, PDF reader, and other applications. Software updates often contain security patches that fix vulnerabilities exploited by hackers. The world of cybersecurity is in a constant state of flux. As technology evolves, so do the threats we face. Hackers are constantly developing new and innovative ways to exploit vulnerabilities. The fight against cybercrime is a continuous arms race. Security researchers work tirelessly to identify and patch vulnerabilities. But as soon as one loophole is closed, another one opens up. This constant evolution requires us to stay informed and adapt our defenses accordingly. We must remain vigilant and proactive in protecting our digital lives. The future of cybersecurity will likely involve artificial intelligence and machine learning. These technologies have the potential to revolutionize how we detect and prevent cyber attacks. Section 9, a final word. Knowledge is your greatest defense. We live in a digital world filled with both incredible opportunities and inherent risks. The threats are real and the consequences can be devastating, but we are not powerless. Knowledge is our greatest defense. By understanding how hackers exploit PDFs, we can take steps to protect ourselves. By being aware of the risks and adopting safe practices, we can navigate the digital frontier with confidence. Remember, be wary of suspicious emails and attachments, keep your software updated, practice safe browsing habits, install reputable antivirus software. By taking these simple yet crucial steps, we can all contribute to a safer and more secure digital future. Let's be vigilant, be proactive, and be safe.